What happens after your 3-year digital nomad visa expires? Most remote workers obsess over getting into Spain, but almost nobody talks about what comes next. Because here's the truth, your biggest risk is not visa rejection. It's losing your path to permanent residency without even realizing it. Today, I'm breaking down the exact 2-year bridge, the hidden presence rules, and the 2026 documentation traps freelancers must avoid to secure Spanish permanent residence. The foundation of the 3-year digital nomad permit. Let's start with what changed, because 2026 is not the same game. If you're applying today, you're no longer stuck with the old 1-year visa. Instead, most freelance professionals now receive a 3-year residence permit from day one. This is massive, because your permanent residency clock starts immediately. Key 2026 requirements for freelancers. You must prove stable remote income. Income must come primarily from outside Spain. You need contracts or recurring clients, not just one-off gigs. Income must meet or exceed the updated threshold linked to Spain's minimum wage index. Important mindset shift. The moment your visa is approved, you're no longer a temporary nomad. You're officially on a 5-year settlement track, whether you plan for it or not. The residency clock and physical presence rule. This is where most people accidentally destroy their eligibility. To qualify for permanent residence, you must maintain continuous legal residency. The 183-day rule, non-negotiable. You must spend at least 183 days per year inside Spain. Not Europe. Not the Schengen area, Spain specifically. If you fail this, your residency clock stops. In some cases, it resets, your permanent residence timeline gets delayed or denied. One critical tip that most nomads miss is that you must be able to prove your physical presence. That includes entry and exit records, flight tickets, rental contracts, utility bills, empadronamiento, local address registration. Travel is allowed, untracked travel is not. And once your presence is solid, the next pillar is tax compliance. Navigating the Beckham Law and freelance tax compliance. Let's talk taxes, because Spain absolutely will. Many digital nomads rely on the Beckham Law, which can offer a reduced flat tax rate exemptions on certain foreign income and predictable taxation during the early years. The Beckham Law is a tax benefit, not a shortcut to permanent residence. To stay on track, freelancers must register as an Autónomo, pay into Spanish Social Security, and file taxes correctly and on time. Why this matters? Spain doesn't just want you earning, they want you integrated into the system. No Social Security contributions would mean a weak visa renewal case. And this leads directly to the most important moment of all. The bridge from temporary to permanent status. At the 3-year mark, you don't jump straight to permanent residence. You apply for a 2-year extension, and this step determines everything. 2026 extension documentation would include proof of continuous residence, updated freelance contracts or client agreements, tax filings and payment confirmations, Social Security contribution history, and valid health insurance coverage. For family members, there's a major 2026 update. If your spouse or children joined you, their residency clocks now align with yours. But only if their residence remained uninterrupted. One missed renewal can split timelines. Once this extension is approved, you've officially completed 5 continuous years, securing the 5-year long-term residence permit. This is the final milestone. You now apply for Residencia de Larga Duración, Spain's permanent residence permit. What permanent residence unlocks? Unlimited right to live and work in Spain. Freedom to change clients or professions. Long-term security for your family. No dependency on remote work status. Final checklist. Clean criminal record. Spain plus previous countries. Proof of 5 continuous years of legal residence. Ongoing health insurance. Evidence of financial stability. Once approved, you are no longer a digital nomad. You are a permanent resident of Spain. If you treat the Spain Digital Nomad Visa as a short-term lifestyle experiment, you're missing the real opportunity. Planned correctly, this is one of the strongest permanent residency pathways in Europe for freelancers in 2026. Reach out to us via email for step-by-step renewal guides, mistake-proof checklists, and profile-specific support. And watch the next video so you don't make the silent mistakes that delay or destroy permanent residency. Your future in Spain depends on what you do after approval.